Kevin Nix. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner of our cage, this young man from St. Louis, Missouri. An impressive record, 19 wins, 2 losses. Currently the IKF Muay Thai World Champion, ladies and gentlemen, Fuad Karanovich. His opponent this evening, fighting across the cage out of the red corner. This young man from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Impressive record of his own, 22-5, with 18 of those wins coming by way of knockout. A member of Team Rouse, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. David Taylor.